high five. Pretend we high five.
Okay, let's just the wave. Wave.
Oh, what button? What button? Oh, victory royale.
Yeah, for now we're about to get down, and tell hello guys that you're playing.
What?
Do not press the button. Oh wait,
Ready?
you're on a different team. You're on a different team. What?
Aw, come on.
Hey,
My time.
Get lost blue. Get lost red teams. Red lost blue teams. Get lost. 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 Get lost.
Get lost, red.
Get lost blue.
Get lost. Get lost.
Get lost. Get lost. Get lost.
Get lost. Get lost. Get lost. Get lost. Get lost. Get lost.
Get
Oh,
lost.
we win. I think we win.
Yay! Oh wait, no. Nah.
Oh nice. GG, bro. GG, bro.
Diamond.
GG, bro.
Yeah, GG.
GG, bro.
Oh,
Right?
it's
Baldy! You know Baldy, right?
Yes.
Oh, Baldy fell off! XD, he fell off.
Yeah, he fell off.
Baldy fell off.
He fell off. Good
He
job.
just fell off with a person. He fell off with a person, man. That's a rip. That's rip, right?
Is that a glitch or something? Is that a glitch?
Oh my god, he didn't come back.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Oh god, oh god, oh
Oh
god.
god. Oh god.
Oh god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What the heck is this? What?
We're safe.
It's
Oh,
pink.
I got blue. I got the blue. I got
the
blue.
pink. I got the
here's
pink.
the blue.
I'm gonna go to pink.
Yay! We
Easy,
win.
easy. Yes. We made it just in
Yes,
time.
nice. Great job, my man. High five, dude. Pretend we high five. Boom.
Boom. Okay.
Yeah, let's dance. Let's dance, dude. Let's dance.
Wait, before we need to click this first. Click the button. Okay, click that.
What's wrong? What's wrong, dude?
Oh, what's this? Hey, let's go to slide. Whee! Oh, never mind. Dance. Okay, now let's go.
Oh, dude, this is the Mr. Cheese theme.
Yeah. Whee! Whee!
The Mr. Cheese from the normal elevator.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I fell out of the pot. That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's disgusting,
Hey,
man. It's disgusting.
Disgusting.
Go to
Oh,
go.
no.
Go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No. R.I.P.
Hello, I'm
Mico.
back.
R.I.P. Mico.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Get back. Get to the button. Here's the button. Here's the button. You stay on the middle. Oh my god. Stay on. Oh my god.
We survived.
They did it. We almost died. We
Oh.
almost died.
She became thick, boy.
I am Finn!
Yes,
I am so Finn!
I'm
We
so
are
thin too.
Finn!
We're thin, boy. Oh no.
We're Finn! Oh, I want to get here. Here, I'm here. I will get this. I will get the eggs! I shall get the eggs!
Mico
Yes,
got
I got the eggs. I got the eggs. I will reset. Because I am Finn. I reset, dude. Reset.
Oh.
Hey, yo, dude, reset.
Okay.
Yay, we're no longer Finn.
Yes.
Oh, cakey. That's disgusting cake. Nobody's dying, dude.
I
Dude,
thought
the guy just reset.
I reset it and it's not working. But
It's good. It's good. Oh my god, Doge! Raining Doge!
I can't reset anymore.
Raining Doge.
We have to
Raining Doge.
I have to leave and join
Raining
back.
Doge!
I have to
Raining Doge.
I have to leave and join back. I have to join back, bro.
There's raining Doge. Oh my god, a bomb!
Oh
Bombs,
my god.
bombs.
Wait, what?
Dude, bombs. Bombs. There's bombs. Bombs!
It's you. It's like Woody. Whoa. Okay. Whoa.
There's bombs.
Whoa. Okay, get the diamond.
Oh,
Let's see my shop.
oh, oh, what? The cake is a lie.
What was this? What was this?
What the?
The secret, yes!
Oh my god. Please don't find me. Don't find me, please.
Alright, I'll give you a chance. I'll find other people only.
Fine. Thank you.
Because you wait for me. I'm gonna get this girl. I got her.
Oh my god, no. Please no. Don't kill me. Don't.
I won't kill you.
God,
Yeah. I won't kill
you.
you.
Missed.
I won't kill you.
That's kill, Snoop.
I won't kill you,
Oh,
bro.
sorry.
I won't kill you.
Okay. I'm just gonna go somewhere.
People are camping right here. I killed the camping people.
Hell no. Wait, what?
I killed the people that's
Meow?
camping.
Who says meow?
Yes, I got that guy.
Oh my god. I'm hiding, please. Are you saying name tags or no?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god, you're cheating, don't you? You cheat! Why you cheat me? You cheat!
Oh, you won. Good job. Good job.
Oh wow. I'm the only survivor. Press
Good
it.
job.
I think I pressed it. Oh my god, there's a cave.
Yes, let's go in. Let's go in. Come on, let's go in.
You know what? I won't have the diamond, please. I don't want the diamond. It's creepy.
Diamond. Yeah!
Nice.
Yeah, I found
Where'd you
it.
find it?
Yes, I
Where'd
found
you
it.
find it?
I just gone to the. I gone to the left or right and I found it. Look.
Nice. Wait, not the left. It's in the right.
Begin.
Oh, there's a. Oh my god.
Sorry.
There. Boom, 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 boom,
Get him.
everywhere. There's a bull. Die.
Get him.
You chill, Rex.
Okay.
Hey, you cheater! Cheater! Never mind. This girl like jumped. Yo, this girl. Yo, girl. Girl. Get wrecked, girl. Get wrecked, girl.
I died.
I'm still alive.
Oh, you won. Good job.
Thanks. You press the button. Press it. Oh,
What?
what? Somebody press it.
Run. You need to run. No matter what,
Oh,
just
yes,
run.
run. It's a literal obby that disappears blocks. Run.
Quick.
Before die. Oh my god, don't die. Oh my god, this is so creepy.
Yeah, it's so
This is
creepy,
so
man. It's so
creepy.
creepy. What?
No! Ah! I died.
Oh, no. Oh, nuts.
Press. Somebody press it.
Nuts. Oh,
The button disappeared. Found it.
Oh, wait, so fast?
You cheater!
Yeah, you cheater.
Yeah, I passed.
Okay.
I pressed it.
Oh,
Wait, what?
get ready.
Oh no! Don't kill me. I won't kill you if you don't kill me.
What do we do?
Die.
Do we kill other people? Do we kill
Yeah,
other
kill
people?
other people. Please don't kill me.
I died.
Oh my god!
Someone's behind you! Someone's behind you!
Cheater! And I'll die. Ah, come on! Dummies.
R.I.P. Mico DM. R.I.P.
Yes, R.I.P. Press it. Did you press it?
Yes, I did. Get ready to push. Oh, is another
Oh
one?
my god, not again! Why again?
Why again?
The fuck?
No, I was like, get off my page, Good.
Get out of my sight, dude! Except you, Rex. So what are you doing? I died. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What's the sound?
Yay!
You have a duck? Do you have a duck?
No, that was me.
Oh. You're making it.
I don't have any dogs, but I have birds.
Wow.
Peanut butter
Oh,
jelly.
dancing banana.
Banana. Oh, it's this guy again.
Go. Let's go.
I'm not playing the music because it's copyrighted.
Ah!
Wait, I now turn down the music a bit.
That guy is disgusting, man.
Boom!
Star Pillow. Oh my god, lasers!
Run! Ah!
Oh. Yeah, you're alive.
Hey!
Na 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 na.
I died.
I died. I was about to reach the end. Rip. I was about to reach the end.
I clicked the button, bro.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
But why
Oh,
him?
it exploded.
Score with the scoreboard. Okay.
Join my team. You're with me.
Okay.
Oh my god, why are you guys doing that?
What are you doing? Don't push it off the cliff. Don't push it off the cliff.
Push it
Don't
off
push
the
it off the cliff.
Push it
Don't
off
push
the edge. Nobody will go. Push it off the edge.
Go, go, go. Yes, yes. Yes, good job. Wait, I thought I did it.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Why am I...
Oh, the button disappeared.
Oh my god, the button! Where's the button? Where's the button?
Where's the button?
Where are you both? Oh god, the button. Oh, come on, noob!
Wait, I need to charge my PC. Okay. And then, yeah.
Hot potato! Hot potato! Hot potato!
Where's the hot potato? What?
Avoid the hot potato!
Gonna,
Yeah!
yeah! That's what she gets. That's what she gets for putting the hot potato on me.
Oh my god! There! Take that, lady! Take that, lady!
Where's someone else?
Run! Lady takes it!
Yeah.
Yay, we win!
Yay! Yay! But
No,
not
we didn't.
really.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Run,
Hot potato! I don't want to
Yes,
get the hot
yes,
potato!
yes, okay, okay. It's us now. It's us. Oh.
I will decide to end my life! Goodbye, world!
What?
Thank you, world, for everything. I will now go to heaven.
Heaven, no, no, R.I.P. Mico again. What?
I did.
Uh,
No, you're thick! You're thick, noob!
Who's stick?
These
Ah,
people.
yes, the
who are
bacon
thick.
has stick. The bacon has stick.
I pressed it.
Oh,
Oh my god!
Run,
Lava!
Run,
Lava!
run up.
Run up!
Oh, shoot. Ah!
Oh!
Did you get up? Did you get up or not?
No, I am still getting up. My god. Oh my god! No! I died!
Icons.
I died!
Baseball.
I died, my friend, and we are in heaven.
I just bought 100 coins.
You have 100 coins?
No, I have 100 coins. No,
Oh,
I
we're
bought
on a
100
trampoline!
coins.
Oh, wow, we're in a trampoline!
The trampoline!
Woo! We're fun! Hey, dude.
Yeah?
Hey, dude. Can
Yeah?
you play the obby theme? The obby theme?
What
Can you play the obby theme?
Why? It's trial question. Okay, what is 10
What's
plus
that
10?
content? Easy.
Easy.
Hey,
Easy, boy.
Easy. Are you
Easy.
smart?
Easy. Easy. I've been to school before, so this is easy, man. It's easy.
Same, dude. Easy. Easy. Oh, I want to get the eggs. I will get the eggs.
Okay.
For the chef.
Come on, go get it. Come on, Mico, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah, go get it.
Good job, dude. We're gonna get some coins for rich. So we get rich.
Yeah, we're gonna get rich. Oh, wait, we need a secret. We need another flavor.
We need the... Oh God, we need the flour. We need the flour. The flour. We need to get the flour.
Never mind.
Somebody got it.
Okay.
Somebody got it. Okay, this chef is pretty weird.
Yeah, she's pretty weird. Right there!
My cake! Cakey!
Yummy!
Yummy, yummy. Oh wait, I'm gonna get a drink. Okay. I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave my phone with me too. Okay, I'm going downstairs. It's time to get quencher. It's actually a drink.
Oh, one.
I get quenchers. I'm getting quenchers. Quenchers are kind of drink.
Oh.
And they are right in here. See, this is what it looks like. That's because it's kind of a fruit juice, not a soda.
Come on, you need to be no okay anymore. Come on.
I can't. I'm still going upstairs. Did I die?
No, you're in the blue
Oh
thing.
my God.
You're in the blue thing. Come on,
Where?
you can do it.
Come on, go. No, Lola back. Oh, come on, my Lolo. My grandpa. Literally. My brother's saying hello.
Oh.
Yeah, it's my friend, Ernie. Don't worry, he's just my friend, okay?
Come on. Yeah!
We won! High five, dude!
Yeah, high five.
High five, boom! Wait, I'm gonna open my drink.
Okay.
I am exhausted! Oh my God, boom! I died!
Oh no.
Did you freeze? Oh my God, you froze! You froze!
Wait, what? My back! I don't have my spines anymore. What the? I don't have my spines anymore. My spines are gone.
You froze! Your account froze!
Wait, how? How do you know?
Oh. That's because I looked at it.
Come on, we can
We're
do it
blue.
again. Can do
Get
it
ready, dude! Ready, dude! Get the flapper, papa! Get the flapper, papa! Why? Our victory! A victory will be ours!
Yes!
Victory will be ours!
Victory will be ours, man! Victory will be ours!
Get the papas! Get all of the reds! I am getting all red!
I'm getting all the reds too.
I'm getting all red stuff. My reds.
Get out reds.
Coming too.
Get out reds.
My reds! Hello, reds!
Yeah! Yeah.
Blue always wins because they beat water.
Whoa! Yeah! We did it again. We can do it next time again.
Yeah, this is actually fun. Oh my God!
I died.
I was drinking.
None survived. Me too. I was drinking too.
What drink did you drink? Are you drinking water?
Yeah.
I'm drinking my juice though. Oh my God! Don't move! Don't move!
No one's moving. Ugh. I clicked the button. Oh, double coins. Hey! I didn't get it. Alright, come on.
Don't shoot me.
Okay, I won. Kill him.
There, I shot them.
Kill
Shot
him.
them. Now I found this girl.
Right, kill him. Hey!
Bye, girl.
Yes!
Yes, we did it. We did it. Let's just stay like this first.
Okay.
Let's chill. Let's dance. Let's dance.
Yeah. Wait, some people. Wait. Are they down there? I don't know, man.
Oh my God, there are people. Wait, no, yeah, they're there.
Okay.
We survived.
Yeah.
Cake? The cake's a lie.
No, run. Go, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Oh, meow. What? Who
The
said
cake's a
meow?
lie.
Who said meow? The cake is a lie, of course.
No.
No, don't touch me there. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on.
Wait for me. Go get.
Yes.
Can I grab it?
Wait, you didn't say it so fast. Wait, you didn't say it. You didn't say before I could grab the diamond, bro. Super fast, Sonic! Yeah, super fast like Sonic.
What meme is this?
What?
What meme is this? What meme song is this?
Sonic song, I think so.
Sonic what?
Sonic song.
Sonic song?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, a bacon hair came. A bacon hair. Oh, what? I got the green.
I got the orange.
I got the green.
I have orange. I made it.
You made it as third. You made it third. I made it at first. Just now I made it second. I think so. I don't remember, but.
I'm gonna go spin like crazy.
Is that Sean? Is that Sean from Silly Tubby like that? He just fell.
Should I play the song, the Sonic song meme?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh yes, come on. We need to go in cave. Hey, this girl is following me. He's cheating. He's cheating, man. He's cheating. Oh.
Yo, cheating. Oh, come on.
There's nothing to see here. Nothing here too.
Oh, come on.
Shoot,
it must be in the middle.
Shoot.
Must be in the middle.
No.
Oh, come on.
No. It's a flippy. There's a flippy. Get ready to fight with laser guns. I got someone. Run. Hey. Get him.
Yeah.
Come on, get them.
Go.
There's some people.
I see one. Oh my God, they're right there. Go. Go. We are the police, and they're the criminals. Die.
I accidentally shot you.
That's okay, dude. We already won once, right?
Yes, I did it. Yes.
Nice job,
I
dude.
avenged
Nice
you.
job.
I avenged you. Don't
Nice
worry.
job.
I avenged you.
You mean avenge me? Wait,
Yes.
what was that? Oh, I
what-
searched
what
the
this
meme
again?
and literally. What again?
Shit.
God, kill them! Kill them all! We're the officers! Freeze! Die, all of you! Or-
Die. And that girl thinks she's clever. Stop. That fool wants to survive. Of being a betrayer. That. Oh my God! Oh
Yeah.
my, yes.
Just go.
Hurry. Slow and steady. If not, you might fall down. Slow and steady. Don't hurry. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Slow and
Slow and steady, and you'll get to win. This is the part where I died.
Go ahead.
Ah!
No! I'll avenge you. Ah!
We both died. Oh yeah, I searched the meme and it doesn't exist.
Oh.
Bruh. What's the meme called again?
Lemon.
What?
I like dancing.
That
I
it.
like
That it.
trains.
Oh, the train! Wait, it's like this.
Yeah.
What's that called?
I don't know. I don't remember. Huh?
Yeah. I haven't. Oh my god, hot dog potato! Hot dog potato!
Hot dog potato! Avoid, 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 avoid. No, come on, you can do it. Don't drop. Don't go to heaven this time. Don't go to heaven yet. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, we done it. We done it. Yeah, woohoo! Who's the potato? Who has the potato now? Oh, hi.
Go give it!
Gotcha! Haha! Have the hot potato.
He's dead.
Oh,
Oh, come on. Empty.
Run!
Empty drink.
Run!
Oh!
Run. No! 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 Don't give up! Don't give up! Give it! Run! Come on! Yeah! Run! Yes, what's the Run!
Run!
Yeah!
Don't tell me I'm gonna go to heaven. Time to go to
Why do
heaven.
you keep
Time
having
to go to heaven.
Why do you keep having the potato, man? Why do you keep having it? Alright, I'll be Miko again. You keep sacrificing for me. Oh, the slide.
Again?
Again? Go. Whee! Why are you sliding like that? I'm sliding like just normally. Whee! Your bomb gone off your head. We explode the million pieces. Whee! Where's the button? He's gonna fall down. Wait now, man. Boom! I died. Get ready to put each other off with the blue daddy. Okay.
I'm ready to kill.
You're the AFK man. Yeah.
Die! We're officers! You're under arrest, Ruby!
Yeah.
What? How did I win?
But good job. Because you pushed him. I didn't push him. You did it.
I think maybe because you reset it. I think.
Huh?
Wait.
Run! Run before he comes to us. No, Miko, don't do it. Ah! Yeah. Oh. No. Wait.
Give it to me. Give it to him. If I get it again, I will just go to heaven.
Go to heaven. What? You keep having it? I don't understand. Why do you keep having it?
Fine.
I
will go to heaven.
RIP Miko again. He just sacrificed himself for me. Huh? What? It's Dutch.
I want dojies.
Dodge. That's what. Oh, someone joining. Oh, that's a Dilo. Okay. Come on, we're gonna take a picture. Let's see. Woohoo! Nice. Yeah, nice. Nice, well, nice.
I pressed it. Oh my god, what the?
Oh, random. Run, random is a seeker.
Come on!
Run, don't go there. Oh, shoot. He knows where we are. Try to not get hit, caught by him. Run. He's gonna come to us easily.
She's AFK, remember?
Oh, no, he's not AFK. He's not AFK, run.
She's pretending.
Yeah. Right, go here. Go here. He doesn't know where to go. Mico, come
Wait, I'm
fast.
gonna... I'm safe. I'm safe, dude. We're safe here. I think.
He's just stuck there.
Yeah. We will win for sure.
He doesn't know how to go to the exit. I'm gonna do this.
He's just gonna lose. He's just gonna lose.
I'm laughing right now.
He's gonna lose. She's just gonna lose.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, my guy, man.
Wait, who's young?
Oh my god, it's you! Why? Why it has to be you? You're gonna kill me, aren't you?
Yes, this time I am. I only gave you one chance one time. One time only.
No. I shall run away forever.
By the
And
way,
I don't know where's the exit.
I think there's no exit. You just have to hide somewhere. I don't know, man.
I don't know where I am right now.
Me too. I'm lost.
Oh no, you lost.
Alright, I found a
Bro,
way
you're
out.
lost. You're lost.
I'm coming to you guys.
You're literally lost. You don't know where I am.
I got
You don't
two.
know where I am.
I got two guys.
Ah, no, I don't want to die. You know I will jinx you again if you kill me. Come on. You kill me, I jinx you.
Who won? Get ready
Force
to...
us.
Okay. Go, come on.
Not me. Don't do it to me.
Okay, I won.
Oh, kill them.
Get him! This guy is eating a cake. Whee!
You bacon girl.
Get out,
In
baby
the name
girl.
of the law. In the name of the law. Oh my god. We really survived.
They're up there. They're up there.
Look, hype dance. Hype dance. I would do the hype dance. It's in the emotes. Press the button.
I already did.
Oh my god, I almost fell off.
I
almost fell off the
I
edge.
already fall
I
off.
almost fell off the edge.
I already fell off. Alright.
Oh my god.
Run.
What? Ah! Oh my god! I died.
Me too. Oh god.
You died 2 times, I died 1 time.
Wow. Wait, what the? No!
Oh my god! Meteor shower! Hey yo, dude, you want to play? You also want to play natural disaster survival?
Yeah, I'll play later. That's my favorite game.
Well, oh, you played that well when we didn't met yet.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I also played it. There's
Oh,
also a
just
Friday
turn
Night
button.
Funkin' version of it. You can morph as Friday Night Funkin' characters.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's a new game. Oh, it's a cake. What? Cake.
That's the cake lie. That's the lie cake.
I know.
The cake is a lie. You can step on it. and you don't die. What?
Come on, you're in my team.
Ew!
No.
No,
Oh, wait, it can't
No,
go.
no.
It cannot go there. Unfortunately.
Oh.
What the?
Goal it!
What
What the?
What
What the? Oh my god, the players are glitching!
Yeah.
What the heck is going on? You know what? What is this? This is crazy. We are even putting it in the goal.
The one's.
Oh my god.
Click the button. Click it.
I pressed it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, picture, photo time.
Picture.
Let's go, fam. Let's go, fam.
Let's go, fam.
Fam. We are fam. You're the fam.
Now see the photo. Yeah. What the? Bro? What the?
I pressed it. What the?
What the? Oh.
We're in space!
We're in space. It's our universe.
I want to go to Tatooine!
Look,
I want
it's
to go
the
to Tatooine!
I found the Milky Way. I found the Milky Way. Look, I found the Milky Way.
I want to go to Tatooine in Star Wars.
Star Wars. Click it.
Mandalorian. Tap spam. Time to spam the click button.
Come on.
Spam.
Come.
Spam. I spammed it. I'm spamming. I'm spam click.
I spam click too. I'm not using any cheats. Okay. Whoa! We pressed it that much? Oh.
Wow.
It's a ball and a knife
Huh?
next to a ball and a knife.
Good dancing banana. Wow! I died. Oh god. Oh no. No, please. No.
No! Oh, you did it! Yeah! Woohoo! Okay, let's go press the button now.
Hey, I'm gonna leave the Roblox. I'm going to my other group, okay?
Huh?
Because my uncle's gotta use the room.
Okay. But before you leave, let's just
I left.
one. Oh no,
I
man.
just left.
Okay.
Can we play at 4? I'm gonna play at 4 p.m. Can we like talk for 2 hours?
Okay. Alright, thank
Yeah.
you guys for watching the episode. See you next time. Bye.